if you want to make $5,000 every single month coming autopilot income directly into your bank account, then watch this video till the end, because I'm going to explain you all the things in details how to make $5,000 every single month on autopilot. This is going to be really interesting, so watch this video till the end and understand the entire strategy. Okay, don't skip even a single second of this video, because every second of this video is going to be really valuable, and it's going to provide you an entire strategy to make a lot of money in the long run. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. So the first thing is that I'm gonna search a particular YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make $5,000 with this type of YouTube channel doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so now let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, get health. Let's search for this channel. Okay, okay, not here. Just click on this filter and sort by channel. So this is the channel. Okay, now let me show you this channel. Okay, so this is the channel which is known as Get Health, and the best thing about this channel is that this channel has just uploaded 69 videos. Okay, and none of the single video is created by the person. Okay, he is not recording his voiceover. He is just creating this videos with the help of a particular software. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna reveal to you that particular software in this video, and also I'm gonna tell you how you can learn to use that software. Okay, all these things will be covered in this video, so just keep watching this video till the end, and in the end of the video I have some bonus for you, and that bonus can just double your conversion rates if you are going to take action on the strategy. So just pay close attention. Okay, so you can see that, let's play one of the videos of this channel. So this channel is monetized, and you can see that there are many of the videos. Okay, you can see the very simple videos: health benefits of high knees exercise. Okay, what happens to your body when you drink cranberry. Okay, so these are really simple videos. Okay, health benefits of ginger juice, a reason why you get tired, and you can see health benefits of push-up exercise. All this really simple videos. Now let me show you one of the videos of him, and he is really creating this awesome videos, and let me show you what videos most popular video of this guy. So we have just sorted this by most, and you can see this video, that 7 benefits of jump rope exercise, and it has got almost 500,000 views. Okay, and let me show you what this video contains. Okay, there's an ad. Let the ad go. Okay, so the ad went away, and now you can see what's there in this video. So in this video you can see this guy is there is some stock footage playing, there is some text, and there is a and there is a voiceover in this video. Okay, so you can see that this guy hasn't given voiceover by himself. This is already a computer voiceover which is given to this video. Okay, and this is the text which is appearing. Okay, and there is some stock footage in the backs, and all he is doing is that giving some of the benefits of this jump rope exercise. Okay, and you can see what great here he has got views, that 564,000 views, as well as he has also given an affiliate link for the jump rope, and so probably he is also making a money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's really awesome, but he is losing some of his money because he hasn't given any promoted any he is promoting just Amazon, and Amazon has a very good conversion rate, but you still make less money with Amazon. But if you promote ClickBank offer, or if you promote any offer which is on ClickBank, then you can get almost 50 to 100% of the commission of a product and make a lot more money. Okay, so this guy is losing some money, but you don't have to do that mistake. You can create all this type of videos. Now I'm gonna show you how you can create this type of videos. Okay, so the software which this guy uses to create this type of awesome videos is called Content Samurai. Okay, Content Samurai, it's really a efficient software, and really this software can make you a lot of money. Okay, so this software has just 7 days of absolutely free trial, so don't worry, just search for this software, try it out for free for 7 days. So create as many videos as possible for 7 days. Okay, and then after, or else you can just pay $47 for 1 month. Just pay $47 for a month and use this software, create 100 videos in that month and get ready. Okay, that's really important because you can create unlimited videos with this software. So just buy this software for $47, invest once, and you can just create 100 videos in just 1 month. Okay, or just use this software. It only takes 10 minutes to create one video. So just sit for 2 to 3 hours and create 5 to 10 videos every single day, and you can make almost 100 to 200 videos in single month. Okay, so after that, just don't pay for the software because you have already got your videos ready. Now all you need to do is start uploading those videos to YouTube. Okay, so this is really cool software. You don't need to provide any of the voiceover or any of the clips manually. All is done by this software for you. All you need to do is just paste your script, and there is an automatic voiceover in this Content Samurai. It will read the script and it will create that the video which I shown to you, that type of awesome video for your content, and that you can directly download and then just upload that to YouTube. Okay, and that's really cool and that's really awesome. And let me show you how you can use this software. Okay, okay, so let me show you if I have any videos created regarding this software, because I remember that I used to use this software and maybe I may have a tutorial for it. But if I don't have a tutorial, then you can just find any of the tutorial on over there on this. Okay, okay, so is there any tutorial? Okay, this is not this one. Okay, is it there? Okay, see this video. Okay, I will be giving the video link in the description. Okay, that video is earn money in online 2020 ClickBank offer promotion, ClickBank plus Content Samurai. So there is an entire tutorial in this video in which I have shown how you can use this software. Okay, so the Content Samurai tutorial is there in this video, so just watch out that video so you can learn how to use Content Samurai. Okay, I will be giving the video link in the description, as well as I will be giving the video link in the I button. Okay, so you can just check out any of those. Okay, now it's time for bonus, and I'm gonna show you a really great bonus. So the bonus is that if you create content with Content Samurai and you create content in this 5 categories, then you are gonna make a lot more money than other categories, because these categories have the highest CPM. Okay, that means you get the highest money per 1,000 views if you create content in these categories. That is health and fitness. You can get up to $6 to $7 CPM per 1,000 views in health and fitness. So if you get 100,000 views, you are gonna make $700, okay, for a month. And then there is business tips. This gets 15 to $20 of CPM. That means if you get 100,000 views, you are gonna make up to $2,000 with this. Okay, so just keep in mind that thing. Okay, then there is relationship advice. This also has $5 to $7 CPM. food tips, this also has that CPM and finance and investment. Okay, so you can see that this is $20 plus. So if you are able to create videos in this niche on YouTube, you are gonna receive a CPM of $20 plus. So just remember that you are getting a CPM of $25 per thousand views. So just understand that just by getting 100,000 views, which is really not difficult on YouTube, on your YouTube channel in a month, you can make up to $2,500 every single month. But the categories like business tips and finance and investment, you require some sort of professional writing, okay, some sort of professional content, so that you can create that type of professional content with Content Samurai. You need a really good script. Okay, so if you are gonna work in these categories, then you are gonna require some professional script, okay, which you can hire someone on Fiverr and make them write the script for you. But for this business, for this relationship, food tips and health and fitness, it's not that difficult niche, and you yourself can write down the script really very easily. Okay, so that's really important. And these are some categories, and this is the benefit bonus which I wanted to provide to you, because I want you to make some really good money. Okay, and the best thing is that you can do affiliate marketing in all these 5 niches. So you are gonna earn AdSense revenue, high CPM AdSense revenue, plus you are gonna make money with affiliate marketing. So this can be double income for you. So all you need to do is take action on any of this category, whichever category connects to you, whichever category you find that you can make content regarding, using Content Samurai and using affiliate marketing. Okay, so this can earn you a lot of money. So you can also check out other videos on my channel which will provide you some interesting strategies about make money online affiliate marketing. And just to remind you that the tutorial of Content Samurai is given in the I button as well as in the video description, so you can just go and check out that video and you can learn how to use Content Samurai. Okay, and that comes to the end of this video. So for today's video, that's all, and this is how you can really make a big money online in 2020. So if you are interested in more of these videos, just take a privilege and press that subscribe button as well as press the bell notification, so you will get notified when I post an awesome video just like this. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.